Welcome back, guys. Another episode of N.R.T. So we received another box from our friends Benchmark Abrasives. I know I was going to do this video yesterday, but I forgot it was Columbus Day, and they didn't deliver yesterday. So today's Tuesday. We're doing the video day. We're going to be porting the 300 some more. And our friends over at Benchmark Abrasives sponsored us some stuff. They have been a huge help on the channel, and I can never say thanks enough. They never... I mean, I don't make ridiculous orders, but I mean, they never complain about what I want to review, so that's a big thing. So we'll go ahead and do an unboxing like we all usually do. We got some a grinder flange nut right there. They sent me a hot sticker. I was gonna ask them for it. I gotta have this. This is so OSHA violations. Yeah. So yes, I got that sticker. Okay. Here's the invoice. What they sent me. Shirt, hat, burger, grinder release. Okay. So here they are right here. Just basically longer versions of what they are. So we get in there. Get it all ground nice. So like those, and then of course I had to get myself another hat because and another shirt. So that's that. So huge shout out to Benchmark Abrasives for supporting the channel, and I would highly recommend to go check them out. And I know I'm probably gonna get some jackass that's gonna say, well, you're just saying that because they sent you free stuff. No, I've been using Benchmark Abrasives products for years, and because I started my YouTube channel and it's got a decent amount of followers and views, I asked them if they wanted to send me some stuff, and they basically did, and then it basically grew from there. And obviously I'm doing a good job because they're continuing to send me stuff, so I appreciate them for that. So, and I've had a couple products fail, or I had to go through more of the process, and I'll tell you what, it was a burr. SH5L burr, I believe. I chipped it. Like literally the first time I used it, I just chipped it out. I mean, I don't know what the deal was, and I sent them some photos, and before you knew it, they already had a replacement sent my way. So huge shout out to them for backing up the products. That's getting harder and harder to find these days. So when a company does back up their products, it's pretty nice. I mean, they have sent me a lot of crap. I mean, we're talking safety glasses and respirator, grinding shield, grinding wheels, wire wheels, flap disc, sanding wheels, sandpaper. No, not sanding wheels, sandpaper. A whole bunch of their scrubby nut stuff, like the wipes, and like this right here, and their hand wash stuff. They sent me a bunch of that. They sent me a DA sander. I'm trying to think else what they have sent me. Sent me some banners, some shirts, just a whole bunch of crap. So, and you may ask, well, for potential upcoming YouTubers, how do you get sponsored by a company like Benchmark Appraisals? Well, I'll tell you. You got to be upfront with them. You got to tell them the plan, what the plan is. And then you got to, man, that's actually pretty dang. I'm going to have to get myself a couple more of them. That's one of the nicest grinder nuts I've seen. Usually it's really thin. I'm trying to think where's my... no. I'm not seeing it. Let's see right here. I'm just using a regular nut, but now I can use that. So, here's the die grinder we're using. We'll go ahead and put on our safety glasses because there will be nothing worse than getting some metal, little particles of metal in your eyes. Hint, hint, ask me how I know. This on? Yeah, it's on. I literally just had that thing. Where the heck did it go? So much crap. I'm forgetting where I have it. So much crap. Can't remember where it's all at. And lost my grinder tool. Take the die grinder apart. I lost it. I can't believe I lost it. I lost the grinder to take it apart. Okay, there, this will work. Sprinkled some. Ain't much for the Pacific Northwest, but definitely you can tell. No more sunshine and lollipops. Okay, just like that. See, this is also part of the burr set. Where's the dang set? See, oh, and they also sent me this. See, sent me this. Has all types of burrs in it, as you see right there. And this one is that one right there. I did not strip, but I did burn up a couple. So, but that's, I mean, that's kind of on me. I mean, so if they don't work, it's not a big deal. I'll buy a couple. So, but I'll go ahead and just picked out a variety of ones. About that one. So, yeah, that one right there. In a world of OSHA violation. Yeah, I sometimes get some jackass that comments that says you're OSHA violation. Well, funny enough is I don't have any employees, and two, some of the crap I've done I don't do no more. One, because it's stupid, and two, it's unsafe, like not wearing safety glasses. That was a thing I seem to do all the dang time. And well, that wasn't terrible. The not wearing safety glasses thing, but getting metal in my hand multiple times, which I still do have a piece of metal in my hand, that's where it draws the line for me. As I just said, safety glasses, I can't even find my safety glasses. What the heck? What the heck? In a world of OSHA violations. I just opened my big mouth, and I don't wear safety glasses. And now I'm gonna wear safety glasses, but I can't find my safety glasses. What the heck? Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna pause it till I find my dang safety glasses. But, yeah. Okay, found a pair of safety glasses. They're around my toolbox. Too much crap. Sometimes I forget where I put crap. But, that's ready to go. We're gonna spray some WD-40 real quick. This is intake side, I believe. Just gonna light this thing up. Here we go. Turn down volume because this is gonna be loud as heck. In a world of OSHA violations. You know, that's definitely where it must be getting hot because it's not cutting us. Well, that's it did. Do I have an angle one? Yeah, that one's kind of more of an angle. Kind of gotta go with that. So I'll try that one. I gotta find out. Oh, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Only the best quality. Oh, my God. Oh shit, I lost that dang little. Look at that. So, well, I gotta go find it, but you guys get the point. I mean, it's pretty dang. I don't know if you guys would find, I mean, I could be on here for an hour just grinding away at that. It's something you gotta take your time with, and sometimes a bird catching, or you can had the bird fall out. I don't know. I thought I tightened it enough, but I guess I didn't. So, but huge shout out to Benchmark Bracelets again. There will be a link in the description to their website. Go check them out. And I don't know if I'll make another full video on this or not, but catch you on the next one.